As the Hathras horror continues to explode, Congress has upped its ante against the Yogi government over the brutal murder of a 19-year-old girl. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi is going to be leading a delegation of party MPs to Hathras once again shortly. Priyanka Gandhi will also be going along with Rahul Gandhi to meet the grieving family of 19-year-old who was brutally assaulted and murdered. Priyanka also held a prayer at Delhi's Valmiki temple. On 1st of October, Rahul had a face-off with UP cops, and in that tussle, Rahul was pushed to the ground in his attempt to meet the victim's family. He was blocked at the Yamuna Expressway near Delhi. The 19-year-old girl succumbed to her injuries on 29th of September and was cremated in the middle of the night on 30th September without the presence of any family member or their consent for that matter. Aishwarya Paliwal is now joining us live. Aishwarya, I believe there's a lot of security in place at the Delhi-Noida border. They say that the media is allowed to enter Hathras village, and our reporters are right there. They've entered, but there is a scare. They don't want the opposition party leaders to enter Hathras village still, which is why we're seeing such heavy deployment along the DND. Even the last time when Rahul Gandhi tried to make an attempt, he was stopped on the Yamuna Expressway. What is happening right now? What is the plan of action, and what is the instruction that has been given to all these police officers who you are flanked by from the UP administration?
Well, let me tell you very clearly, on one hand, they have given permission for the reporters to enter the village in Hathras, but here at DND, this is the main road which connects the national capital and goes till Uttar Pradesh. This is the border, and you can see from one end of the border till the other end, heavy police deployment. In fact, policemen are ready in their gears. They are wearing helmets, they are wearing jackets, they are ready with their lathis. It looks like the moment Rahul Gandhi will reach this spot, we will see Congress workers and Rahul Gandhi getting into some kind of a scuffle. You know, that's the sense that I get when I stand here. Very heavy police deployment. From what we understand, the clear instructions given to these policemen is not to let Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi cross this border and enter the state of Uttar Pradesh. We also understand that some of the officers who are not standing here, they have been deployed. Some of them are sitting in the vans right behind us. So very tight police bandobast here. The barricading has been put there. They have also put loudspeakers. So we are understanding in the next couple of minutes, as and when Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi reach this spot, you will see that it will be very, very difficult for both of them.
If this amount of heavy police deployment and scrutiny was only existing to protect the women in UP, things would have been different. But all of this energy, all of these resources being deployed to stop an opposition leader, to meet the family's victim, to show solidarity. That is the reality for all to see. Thanks so much, Aishwarya, for joining us for the very latest on this. We'll keep coming back to you as and when there are developments on the DN.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.